I think that we have found a pretty good spot here. Good views every direction. Not really wind sheltered, but I build up my tent here if I get the packs in the ground somewhere here. Hopefully there's not too many rocks. So I wanted to get to this place for a very, very long time. We're not too far from Dovrefjell. I already heard some golden plovers, and that's great obviously, but I'm not looking for golden plovers mainly, but it's good to hear them. That already is promising for the next couple of days. Learn from my example and find maybe a better spot, but I think it's all right. If not, I have to change it over the next coming days. It's like you hear two different plovers. One is walking around here. I already got some photos and videos of it. It's a ring plover that also likes to be out here quite a lot. But there's also a different sound. But I haven't really pinpointed down yet where that one is. Okay, it was right there. It's a Eurasian bolted. I've never met this one before, but it was right there, but they're so well camouflaged. I will try to settle down a bit, be calm, and see how friendly it is, if it gets used to me or not. Probably I'm gonna go back to the car and drive to some other places I want to check out that are up here. There's a tempting stint. Not too far from me. They don't seem to be very shy. They just come right at you, and before they reach you, they just fly around you. And sometimes it's coming so close that I can't even focus anymore. And it's really hard to, like, if you just walk along the shore, it's hard to see them because they're just very tiny, but so cute. I had a small test with the microphone out there in this bush where they normally land to get some of the noises, and you can just see they're like 5 meters from me hopping around the young one. They don't really seem to mind. And there's Lapland buntings too around me. And a male, an adult male, and I think one maybe male youngster. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not so good on Lapland buntings yet, since I've seen them not so many times. Yeah, they like themselves around this area, and not far behind me, there's a golden plover, so I'm gonna enjoy this for a little while longer. The temperatures are also close to zero. Doesn't make this easier. What kind of a summer trip this is, but I mean, it's Norway, so I was prepared and had more stuff with me. I can hear them, as always. There's enough plovers, but it's not so easy to always find them in this big landscape. Wide landscape, maybe is the better word for it. It was very interesting now that the clouds were so low and the fog was moving in. And And what I will be thankful for when I come home tonight is that I had 3 days out before I have to go to do other work again. I had the time to explore a whole different area that I've never been to. It's always like this other perspective that we sometimes need when we have days like this where, yeah, the plans just don't work out. I will definitely come back to try my luck again. And I hope then that you join again. I know the spans between videos become longer and longer. It's just that I don't always have the energy, I don't always have the time. There's other work to be done. So I hope that you also in the future tune in and we see each other then.